Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. In today's video, we'll take you on a serene journey to Bancroft, Canada, where we explore a charming shipping container cabin nestled in nature. This unique retreat combines modern design with the tranquility of the great outdoors, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Join us as we uncover the beauty and functionality of this innovative container house, surrounded by the lush landscapes of Bancroft.
Nestled amidst the serene forests of Bancroft, Canada, this one-of-a-kind shipping container cabin offers an unforgettable escape for couples or small families. Designed with sustainability and simplicity in mind, this cozy retreat incorporates a 20-foot shipping container and recycled wood to create a harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. Here's a closer look at what makes this property a standout experience for nature enthusiasts. From the outside, the cabin juxtaposes the rugged steel of a shipping container with the warmth of natural wood. A slanted roof extends over the porch, giving it a cozy, sheltered feel while allowing you to enjoy the forest views in comfort. The container itself maintains its industrial aesthetic, complete with its original markings, lending an edgy yet functional vibe to the property. The screened-in porch doubles as an outdoor living space and kitchen. It features rustic wooden beams and wide windows that let in ample light while keeping insects out. With a built-in countertop, a propane grill, and a cozy seating area surrounding a compact fire table, the porch is perfect for cooking meals, playing games, or simply relaxing with the sounds of the forest in the background. One of the cabin's most unique features is its outdoor shower. Offering hot water on demand, it's a refreshing way to start or end your day, with the forest as your backdrop. This feature enhances the experience of connecting with nature, making it a luxurious upgrade from typical camping amenities. This compact cabin is designed with intimate getaways in mind. Whether you're rekindling romance or introducing your kids to the wonders of the wilderness, this property provides a unique blend of comfort and adventure. At just $112 per night, this Bancroft shipping container cabin offers an affordable yet memorable way to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Ontario. With cozy features like a propane heater for chilly nights, you'll stay warm and comfortable while enjoying the sights and sounds of the forest. This Bancroft shipping container cabin offers the perfect mix of sustainability, simplicity, and comfort. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just looking to escape the city, this cabin provides a tranquil retreat where you can reconnect with nature without sacrificing modern conveniences. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the charming shipping container cabin in Bancroft, Canada. We hope you've enjoyed this peaceful escape to nature and the innovative design of this unique home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more inspiring architecture and design content. See you in the next video.